Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. So in today's video, I am going to be making sugar cookies with royal icing. So the ingredients you'll need is flour, and make sure you sift them, cornstarch, egg, sugar, and butter. And you'll also need some flavoring, your choice. You can do any flavors you like. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to just open this up. We'll put this on. Alright, so now we got the attachment on. The ingredients we're going to be adding to this is the butter. And we're just going to add that for like 20 seconds. Okay. Just gonna put it on slow. Alright, now we're gonna be waiting for that for 20 seconds, and we're gonna put in the sugar next. So now we're just creaming up the butter, and we can still wait. And every so often, you're gonna like check it and just like scrape down the sides, and make sure it's not cold, and make sure it's like room temperature so it doesn't freeze. Alright, so it's done. So now just shut it off. Go scrape down the sides. Here's it. Just gonna scrape down the sides. Should have a stick on there. So now I'm just gonna put the sugar in. Guys, if you're wondering about all the measurements, it's gonna be in the description box below. So now we're waiting for that to mix. Let's move all these stuff over here, and we're gonna be sifting the flour. Okay. So this is the flour. No, this is the flour. Get a sifter. Just do a little bit at a time. I heard it's kind of better if you just bang the sides down. Get it in there. And guys, when you're sifting it, you have to be patient sometimes. Sometimes the flour has been sitting for a while, and you just gotta be really patient. Just gonna check. Alright, now let's add this. Last bit. Don't waste any of it, guys. Get that last bit. Alright, so now we're just going to add the flour. We're going to add all the dry ingredients. This flour is already sifted. Now we're gonna add the cornstarch. I'm gonna mix it together. Alright, so now I'm gonna scoop it in there because the flour can't and the dry ingredients can get a little powdery and messy. So I'm just gonna scoop it. Make sure you do it while it's going so it can mix up. Okay, so we're gonna clean up a little bit, and yeah, we're gonna put the rest of the flour. We're just gonna dump it in there because and we're gonna put a towel over it. Just so all the powder doesn't go up. Alright, so. Alright, now we're gonna clean up a little. Alright, so when this is done, I am going to put it on here and form a dough. And I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator so I can and then I'm gonna roll it out. And I'm just gonna let it rest. Alright, so now I'm just gonna shut it off and take it out. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take this off. I'm gonna take it out. It's kind of hard. There we go. And I'm just gonna take it over. Alright, now I'm gonna make a mold out of it. Alright, let's taste this. Okay. Alright, it's really hard to make a ball, but it's gonna be a good shape. So now I'm just gonna push it all together. Make sure you guys have clean hands. Alright, so now we're going to put this in the fridge for 20 minutes, clean up a little bit, and then when 20 minutes is up, we're going to roll it out and have fun. Alright, so now we're going to go set up the oven for 350. Big and okay. Now we're gonna get the flour. And we're gonna just place a little bit, teeny tiny, 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 tiny. Just gonna get it all around. Put the cap back on. Spread it out a little bit. All right, now we're gonna take this. Put it on, cut it. put one half back in here. I'm gonna set that aside and make it into a ball shaped. Okay. Now, we're gonna roll this out with a rolling pin. It's gonna roll that out. All right, so I'm just rolling this out, and here's the technique. Just roll, lift, lift and roll, lift and roll. And this is like about the consistency you want. And now we're gonna just get these cute cookie cutters. I have this adorable flower, so adorable. Grab any cookie cutter you want. And we're gonna do it in the corner. And then make sure you just turn it too. Get the excess off. And then make sure you just, and go put it on the pan, but cover it in cleaning wrap. Right there. Now I'll do this butterfly. Like this one. Watch. Right. And guys, when you're doing this, I just want you to have fun and be creative. Do how you want to do. It's a beautiful butterfly. And I'm just going to do this cute little flower too. This other one. Oops, wrong side. Right. So, now I'm just going to take this heart one. I really love this heart one. It's kind of my favorite. Right, so I'm just going to put it in there and shake it a little. Take it out. Put it back on here. And I'm gonna make about 6 for this batch. And I'm gonna take this one. I really like this one. Right. Take this one out. I have room for one more. So I will do this one. All right. Put it right there. And hopefully you guys already have your oven preheated for 350. All right. So now, we do have extra left. So I will take this cute little one. I'll make a extra one. I'll make a couple more. Alright, now we're gonna stick this in the oven for 7 minutes. Get a glove on, because you can't burn yourself, kid. Top and bottom. And you're gonna set a timer for 7 minutes.